Well, hello there and good afternoon. This is Business Today right here on KTN News on this second day of November 2023. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, today we'll be talking about ACAT Conference. When you hear about ACAT Conference, don't be confused. This is all about agriculture, looking at how technology is coming in to change the sector. And this conference has been going on since the 30th and it's ending tomorrow. And we'll be speaking to one of the delegates who is there, who is Emmanuel Okogbenin, who is the Director of Programs and Commercialization at AATF, which is the African Agricultural Technology Foundation. We'll be speaking to him about what this conference is all about and what we expect after this conference. And if you are a farmer out there who's planning to get into the technology side of agriculture, what you need to do. But before we get to all that, let us look at the markets update.